In the late 1970s, humanity sent two small spacecraft on one of the boldest journeys ever attempted. They were called Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, and their mission was simple in idea but revolutionary in scope: explore the outer planets of our solar system. When Voyager reached Jupiter, scientists expected to see a giant ball of gas, impressive but predictable. What they actually discovered rewrote textbooks, transformed our understanding of planets and moons, and revealed that Jupiter is not just a planet, but an entire system of worlds filled with storms, fire, oceans, and extreme forces unlike anything seen before. When Voyager approached Jupiter, it immediately became clear that this planet was different from anything humans had ever observed up close. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, more than twice as massive as all the other planets combined. From a distance, its swirling bands of clouds looked beautiful and calm. But Voyager's instruments quickly revealed a world of violence, energy, and motion on a scale never imagined. Jupiter's atmosphere is composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, yet it is far from simple. The planet is wrapped in alternating light and dark cloud bands driven by jet streams moving at hundreds of kilometers per hour. These winds collide, twist, and fold into massive storms that can last for decades or even centuries. One of the most famous features Voyager studied was the Great Red Spot. For the first time, scientists saw this enormous storm in extraordinary detail. The Great Red Spot has been raging for at least 300 years and is larger than Earth itself. Voyager revealed it as a complex rotating system with towering cloud layers and violent turbulence. Winds inside the storm reach speeds of more than 400 kilometers per hour. Unlike storms on Earth, which lose energy and fade, Jupiter's storms are fueled by heat rising from deep within the planet. Jupiter actually emits more energy than it receives from the Sun, and that internal heat powers its endless atmospheric chaos. Voyager also revealed that Jupiter's atmosphere is electrically active. Its instruments detected intense lightning storms deep within the clouds, far more powerful than any lightning seen on Earth. These discoveries proved that lightning is not unique to our planet. Voyager also observed brilliant auroras near Jupiter's poles. These glowing regions are hundreds of times stronger than Earth's auroras and are caused by charged particles slamming into Jupiter's atmosphere. The sheer intensity of these effects showed that Jupiter is constantly interacting with the space around it. One of the most important discoveries Voyager made was Jupiter's magnetic field. Scientists already knew it was strong, but Voyager revealed just how extreme it truly is. Jupiter has the strongest magnetic field of any planet in the solar system, more than 14 times stronger than Earth's. Then came one of the most shocking discoveries in space exploration. Voyager turned its cameras toward Io, one of Jupiter's moons. Scientists expected a cold, cratered surface. Instead, they saw immense plumes rising from the moon's surface, active volcanic eruptions blasting material hundreds of kilometers into space. For the first time in history, humans had witnessed volcanoes beyond Earth. Io's surface was coated in vivid yellows, reds, and blacks, painted by sulfur and molten rock. Jupiter's gravity was stretching and squeezing Io, heating its interior through tidal forces. Io was alive with fire, a world constantly reshaped by eruptions. Next, Voyager observed Europa. Unlike Io, Europa appeared smooth and bright, covered in ice. But the surface was laced with long cracks stretching across the moon like shattered glass. There were few impact craters, meaning the surface was young and changing. Scientists proposed an astonishing idea: beneath Europa's frozen crust lay a vast ocean of liquid water. This possibility transformed Europa into one of the most promising places to search for life beyond Earth. Though Voyager could not see beneath the ice, its images provided the first evidence that an alien ocean might exist. Voyager's journey also revealed that Jupiter possessed far more moons than previously known. Several small satellites were discovered, each trapped in Jupiter's powerful gravitational grip. The planet was not just a world, it was the center of a miniature solar system. At the same time, Voyager detected faint rings encircling Jupiter, thin bands of dust invisible from Earth-based telescopes. Until then, only Saturn was known to have rings. Voyager proved that ring systems were more common than once believed. The spacecraft also measured Jupiter's immense magnetic field, the strongest of any planet in our solar system. Invisible radiation belts surrounded the planet, powerful enough to damage spacecraft electronics. This magnetic shield shaped the environment of every moon orbiting Jupiter and helped scientists understand how giant planets protect inner solar systems from cosmic debris. As Voyager sped away from Jupiter, it sent back a final stream of data, filling in details about temperatures, atmospheric composition, and powerful winds. Each signal that reached Earth added a new piece to a cosmic puzzle. Scientists worked day and night, translating radio whispers from across space into knowledge that would reshape textbooks and inspire future missions. By the time the last close-up image arrived, Jupiter was no longer a distant light in the sky. It was a vast, violent, breathtaking system of storms, oceans, volcanoes, and invisible forces. A giant that ruled its corner of the solar system with gravity and power. And thanks to Voyager, humanity had seen it with its own eyes for the first time. As Voyager continued its journey beyond Jupiter, scientists on Earth gathered around glowing monitors, watching faint signals arrive from billions of kilometers away. The spacecraft had only spent a brief moment near the giant planet, yet the knowledge gained would take years to analyze. The moons told an even greater story. Io, burning with constant volcanic fury, proved that worlds could be heated by gravity alone. Europa, hiding a possible ocean beneath its frozen skin, hinted that life might exist in places never imagined. Other moons, discovered during Voyager's flight, revealed the complexity of Jupiter's family, each with its own character, history, and mystery. The discovery of Jupiter's rings added another surprise. Thin, ghostly bands of dust circled the planet quietly, unnoticed for centuries. Their existence suggested that rings might form easily around giant planets, changing how scientists viewed planetary evolution across the universe. Voyager also uncovered the true scale of Jupiter's magnetic dominion. Its magnetosphere stretched millions of kilometers into space, capturing charged particles and forming deadly radiation belts. This invisible shield shaped the environment of the entire Jovian system and offered insight into how giant planets protect inner worlds from cosmic threats. When Voyager finally left Jupiter behind, it carried more than memories stored in computer banks. It carried the legacy of discovery. The mission transformed astronomy, sparked new theories, and inspired future spacecraft that would return to study Jupiter in greater detail. Decades later, the images Voyager sent back remain iconic. They remind us of the moment humanity first truly met the giant of our solar system. A meeting that changed our understanding of planets, moons, and the forces that shape them. Jupiter was no longer just a mythological god in the sky. It became a real, complex, astonishing world, a place of raging storms, hidden oceans, blazing volcanoes, and powerful invisible fields. A place that challenged everything scientists thought they knew. And Voyager's story did not end there. After Jupiter, the spacecraft continued onward to Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and beyond. Today, they travel through interstellar space, carrying the golden record, a message from Earth to the unknown. But it was at Jupiter that Voyager proved what human curiosity could achieve. Two small machines, built on a distant world, journeyed across unimaginable distance and revealed the secrets of a giant. Their discoveries remind us that the universe is not silent or empty, it is alive with wonders waiting to be found. And as Voyager sails into the darkness between the stars, its legacy shines brightly, a testament to exploration, discovery, and the endless human desire to know what lies beyond the horizon.